Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope everyone's doing well and I am also doing well. Today I am going to share my thoughts as well as I am trying to keep practicing a little bit speak English. So let's start. First of all, thank you for giving me your important time. Actually, I have a exam today, but I am preparations all my chapter this book and I am feeling confidence for my exam. It's time to make video for myself as often as I could because if I can be able to do then I think it's much better for my communication skills as well as teamwork skills. When if I have to left my country, then I will be continuous struggle for my life. Then I need to better communication skills as well as teamwork skill. Then I will have been achieve for my dream as soon as possible. However, in my village, I think this place having a very hard if you are a good student, and I think if you work hard and you should be never give up for your dream, then you will be good life for yourself. I'm looking forward a lots of people couldn't working in his life. He doesn't know about what's going on in life and what's happened. It's a very bad if you don't realize the life is very hard if you don't have to work in your life. At this moment, I really need to success in my life, and I think if I struggle continue, then I will be able to achieve for my dream as soon as possible. Additionally, it was very bad if you don't believe me for yourself, and it doesn't matter what people say about you. You must be never give up for yourself. Then you will be able to do one day. So that's all pity about me. Thank you for your face and Harry. See you next video.